Good morning, everyone. My name is Aulia El Fadila. I am a master student of Magister Management Faculty of Economic, University State of Jakarta. Today, I will present about total quality management, a must-know concept. This is my sequence of presentation. I will talk about the introduction, the three quality gurus, the commonality, the definition of quality, five approach of defining quality, the system approach of TQM, the customer satisfaction, indicators for customer satisfaction, the cost of quality, the benefits of TQM, then conclusion. What is TQM? TQM is the integration of all function and process within an organization in order to achieve continuous improvement of the quality of goods and services. The main goal of TQM is customer satisfaction. Let's see the opinion of the three quality gurus. Deming said that the best known of the early pioneers is credited with popularizing quality control in Japan in early 1950s. Today, he is regarded as a national hero in that country and is the father of the world famous Deming Prize for Quality. The second one is Duran. Duran defines quality as fitness for use in terms of design, conformance, availability, safety, and field. And the last is Philip Crosby, author of popular book Quality is Free. He said that quality is defined as conformance to requirement, not goodness. The system for achieving quality is prevention, not operational, and the performance standard is zero defect, not that's close enough. These three quality gurus has conformance. The commonality is inspection is never answer to quality improvement, nor is policing. Involvement of leadership and top management is essential, and a program of for quality requires organization-wide efforts and long-term commitment. And the last, quality is first and schedule are second. Now, if we came to the definition of quality, it's differ between industry and differ between the user. Like in banking industry, they will answer services as the definition of quality. Like in the healthcare industry, maybe we can define the quality healthcare, or maybe the customer satisfaction, or maybe the product quality. It is different between product or services that we are endure. Okay, now we have five approach of defining quality. The Harvard professor David Garfin, in his book Managing Quality, has five approach in defining quality, that is transcendent, product-based, user-based, manufacturing-based, and value-based. Let's talk about the transcendental view. Like if we talk about transcendental view, it's very, very abstract. Like I can define it, but I know it when I see it. That is the transcendental view. Quality is difficult to define or to operationalize. It does become elusive when using the approach as basis for competitive advantage. Moreover, the function of design, production, and services may find it difficult to use this definition as a basis for quality management. Product based, it is very concrete. Quality is viewed as a quantifiable or measurable characteristic. It's very defined and is determined objectively. Although this approach has many benefits, it has limitation. Like quality is based on individual taste. The benchmark for measurement may be misleading. The third one is user based. It's based on the user experience. It's based on the customer's preference. The consumer preference vary widely, and it is difficult to aggregate this preference into product with wide appeal. The problem with this user base is the question: Are the quality and the customer satisfaction is the same thing? The answer is probably not, because between the product that produced by the factory and the user experience, it may be differ. Then the fourth The fourth approach is manufacturing based. This approach has serious weakness because the customer perception is equated with conformance and internally focused. It's based on the opinion of the decision of the management in the manufacturing industry, or the management decision to produce the product. Then the last one is value based. It is defined in terms of cost and prices, as well as number of other attributes like the consumer decision, like the Consumer Report magazine quality reports, which rank products and services based on two criteria: quality and value. The highest quality is not usually the best value. The designation of assigned to the best byproduct or services. Now, this is the system approach for TKM, where in the left side, the driver is the senior executive leadership. These people decide what is to be done between the management process, quality, the human resource that needs, and the strategy, the quality planning, and the information and analysis that needs to be done in order to get the product or the services that achieve the quality standard. Then the quality standard will be uh, judged by the customer. So between the decision making process, the production process, and the customer feedback, that that very important process in order to get the best criteria of the quality product or the quality services. Now, if we talk about the customer satisfaction, there are three-part system. First is the human resource management, which involve what kind of resources that we make in order to build the quality product or services, and then what what kind of process, what do the company needs to process the quality, and then after all the customer feedback. Now, if customer are satisfied, then we can acquire the customer satisfaction. Now, what is the indicator of customer satisfaction? There are a lot, and I will read to you all the indicators. First is the frontline empowerment, excellent hiring in human resources, and then proactive customer system, proactive management in relation with the customers, use of listening posts, quality requirement of the market segment, commitment to customers, understanding the customer's needs and requirements, and the service standard meeting those requirements. Let's talk about cost of quality. There are three views of quality costs. First of all, higher quality means higher costs. Quality attributes such as performance and feature cost more in terms of labor and materials. Second one is the cost of improving quality is less than the resulting saving. The saving result from less rework, scrap, and other direct expenses related defect. This is said to account for the focus on continuous improvement of process in Japanese firms. And the last one of the view of the quality costs, and quality costs are those incurred in excess of those that would have been incurred if the product were built or the service performed exactly right the first time. Now, as a conclusion, let's point out the benefits of TQM. We can gain greater customer loyalty, we can gain market share, we can gain higher stock price, reduce service calls, higher prices, and greater productivity. As a conclusion, if we talk about total quality management, that we are in revolve the earth revolve around the customer. So if we get the customers, we get the quality. If we get the quality, we get the customers. So we need to plan it carefully. We need to support it carefully. And if the customer happy, the company will happy, the management will happy. Thank you for your time for listening this presentation. My name is Aulia El Fadila. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.